Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our subject soft skills. Okay, as you can see here, this is Sihai online training program and day 1, June 7, 2020. Our subject is soft skills, unit 12, and this is for batch 12. Okay, and now our today topic is decision making and problem solving. Okay, so today we will try to understand if you have any problem and you are confused how you can take a decision. So today we will try to understand how we can make a decision. Okay, so first we will try to understand what is decision making. Okay, what is decision making? Decision making, an act of making up your mind about something. Okay, it means that, for example, you are going to buy a something and you have a confusion and you want to need a lot of information. Okay, so how you will buy the product or anything. Okay, so it means that how you can make your mind, okay, so a position or opinion or judgment reached after consideration. Okay, it's about your opinion, about your judgment about something. Okay, so this is a decision making. Okay, now we will talk about process of decision making. Okay, it means that step by step procedure, how you will take a step by step procedure about the decision making. Here you can see that we will talk about one by one, then we will complete this circle. It means that you can take a decision by this circle, by this process. Number 1 is defining the problem. Okay, number 2 is problem analysis. Number 3, generating possible solutions. Number 4, analyzing solutions. Number 5, selecting the best solutions. And number 6, planning the next course of actions. Okay, so this is a process of decision making. Okay, so here you can see that number 1 is defining the problem. The actual problem that you have and the actual decision that you want. Okay, here you can see that identify. Okay, number 1, here you will see the identification of the problem. You will try to understand what is your problem. Okay, and what you want to achieve, what is your goal, what you want to achieve in the next. Okay, clear doubts, what you have a doubts. Okay, so you will clear it. Analysis, you will try to understand, will I achieve it by this or not. Okay, so what is this actually? Here you will clearly write down the problem or decision to be made. For example, I want to get fit. Okay, my problem is I'm a very fat and I want to get a fit. Okay, so what I have to do, this is my problem. So today we will try to understand how we can make a decision about this. Okay, number 2 is analyzing the problem. Analyzing problem is what? Current situation. You will see here what is your current situation. Okay, either you have a problem, a big problem, okay, and how you will finalize, how you can finish this one. So current situation is that, and finding the root cause. What is your problem? What is your cause about this root? Okay, okay. Number 3 is generating possible solutions. Here you have a problem. Okay, so you will write here possible alternatives. You will try to understand what is you have alternatives. Okay, make a list of them. You will try to make a list what is you have a alternative. Here you will write all the possible solutions down. Like you have a problem. What you have a problem? I want to get a fit. Okay, so you have a lot of solutions. Like I will join the gym. Number 1, you will make a list. Number 2, I will try to walk to school each day. So you can walk to school each day, okay? I will jog up every day. Even you can jog up every day, okay? So these are the solutions. You can make the list of the solutions, okay? So this is number 3, generating possible solutions. Okay, number 4 is analyzing the solutions. You will try to understand if you have a lot of solutions, okay? Here you will try to understand which solution is good for you, okay? Like you will see here pros and cons, okay? Like good and bad decisions that you have, and what is the benefit and advantages or disadvantages of the solutions, okay? Then you will see practically of each alternative. Then you will implement you will try to understand if I will use this alternative solutions, is it good for me or not, okay? Then safety is very important about that solution. Okay, what you will do here, analyzing this solution, write down all good and bad things, okay? What is good and bad things? Good things, it will be fun, okay? For example, you have a problem is I will get fit, okay? Then you make a list of these solutions. Then you will see that if I am implementing these solutions, so it will good for me or not. So good things, it will be fun. It will be taught how to exercise, okay? These are the good things. So what are the bad things? Bad things, it may be really expensive. Maybe it will be expensive because sometimes you don't want to go gym. So gym is very expensive, okay? So how you can solve these things? So you will think critically, okay? Critically you will think about that. How would I get there, okay? Because you need a lot of time. So how you will get there? So this is number 4, analyzing the solutions. Okay, number 5 is selecting the best solution. Now you will see that you have a lot of solutions and you have already checked which one is good, okay? You have already checked what is advantages and disadvantages of the solutions. Okay, here you will talk about the most appropriate solution, the best solution, okay? You will select here the best solutions. The low cost, okay? The low cost, high effectiveness, the good effectiveness, okay? About the, what you will do, for example, you can see here, you may choose the options of, okay? There are a lot of solutions, but you choose that walking to school each day, okay? You choose this solution, okay? As you realize that you could walk with your friend, have fun on the way, and it would cost nothing, okay? Here you can see that if you will choose the walking to school each day, so you have a lot of benefits, a lot of advantages about this solution, okay? Like you can go by your friend, there's no need for a lot of cost, okay? The cost is nothing about this one, and you can fun with your friends. So here you can see that selecting the best solution by this, okay? Okay. Number 6, planning the next course of action, okay? Planning the next course of action. So here you will try to write all your plan, okay, that you have understood, that this is my solution. So here what you will do, plan what you are going to do, okay? You will finalize this plan, you will implement this plan, draw up the action plan, you will write all the action plan, okay? Avoid possible issues in future. So you will avoid the issues that you see that it will be in future, okay? So what you will do now write down a plan to implement your decision. So you will write everything, okay? Everything in this. Okay, so thank you so much, dear students. I hope you will get this one, okay? I will send this presentation in the YouTube channel, okay? If you need any help, you can talk to me, and I also send you an activity sheet in WhatsApp group. So if you need any help, you can talk to me. Thank you so much.